Hello everybody, my name is Mark Baile. I'm from Lincoln College of Technology, Columbia, Maryland, and with me today is
Paul Glock.
we both teach electrical here at the college, and we wanted to take a moment and show you how to properly solder using some basic equipment and tools. In Paul's right hand, he has a pair of wire strippers, and in here you'll have a single soldering iron. We have an ashtray, which is basically going to hold the wire itself as he solders. And we have some steel wool to clean the soldering iron and some basic rosin core solder. So at this point, I'm going to turn it over to Paul.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the insulation off the end here. I've already pre-done the other one. I'm going to give a couple twists, pull the end off like that. And then I'm going to join it with the other wire. We want to make sure the copper strands are straight. We don't want to have them pre-spiraled around each other. We want to increase the surface area as much as possible for good electron flow, but also so they can't fall apart as I go to solder this. You can easily tell that when you're done, when you've got them tightened down, you can shake it and it doesn't fall apart. And I'm going to place it across the ashtray like this. This is, say, 6 o'clock, 12 o'clock in relationship to me as far as this goes. And I'm going to give this a little swipe, making sure not to burn my finger or anything like that. And I'm going to touch it ever so lightly, a little bit of solder for tinning purposes. That's going to allow the heat to travel through. And notice everywhere I touch, solder instantly melts because of the heat transfer through the copper from the soldering iron. And it's literally done in seconds.
Okay, so basically just to touch base, make sure you strip roughly a ½ inch off the wire. We say usually a thumb's width apart. Make sure your soldering iron is hot. Tin the soldering iron. Before tinning it, clean it. Make sure it's good and clean or you won't get a good tin on it. Use proper solder, which is rosin core. Anytime you're dealing with electrical, make sure you use that type of solder. For more information, feel free to drop us a note below on our YouTube channel, and we'll be glad to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.